your camera could control your game? Today, we will learn video sensing in Scratch and create an awesome color sensing game using light, movement, and your webcam. Get ready for some coding magic. Let's jump into Scratch and start creating. First, we will delete this cat sprite. Go to the stage and go to the left bottom corner. Click on it and now you will see a video sensing extension. Sense motion with the camera. Click on it and you can see the video sensing. So we will do some code for it. We will make our camera on. So for that, events, when flag click, video sensing, turn video on. It will on our video and set video transparency to 0. So if transparency 0, then your screen will be clearly visible. If you do it 50, it will be blur. And if 100, your video will not be visible. So if I do 0, you can see I'm over here. Okay. So now we will use color effects using video sensing light detection. So for the light detection, I'll use this toy torch. You can use any light source. For example, toy torch that I am using, mobile flashlight or any light source. Now I'll take one more sprite. I'll search, that is star. Okay, star is here. I'll go to its costume and if you want to change its color, you can. I want to, so I will. So I want to take this dark blue color, looking nice, and I'll change its size over here to 50. Perfect. And go to code and I'll name over here blue star because I have taken the color blue. Now I'll duplicate this star. I'll go to its costume and change its color. I'll take the color green like this. Okay, perfect. Now go to code. I'll just name it green star and set its position. So the green star's X will be 185 and Y is 120. And of blue star, X is going to be 185 and Y is minus 120. Okay, now duplicate this green star. Go to its costume and now I will change its color to yellow. Okay, perfect. And this position will be X 185 and Y 0. It will be in the center. And I'll name this yellow star. Okay, so now let's start coding with the blue star. So we will do different type of effects for each star. Like for blue star, I can take sound effect. For green star, I will take color effect. And for yellow star, twinkling effect, like the stars twinkle in the night. I'll go to the blue star when flag clicked. Then go to motion, go to X, 185, Y, minus 120. We will set its position to here. Then control, forever loop. If then, sensing, touching color. So now, I have to on my video and to on this light. But before I on the light, to make the light brighter, I'll make my room dark. So you can also try that if you want. So now you can see my screen. This is my light and you have to show this in the webcam. Okay? So I'll on the light. Oh, so it's working. And from the webcam, now do like this. Take eyedropper. Oh, the light is coming. Okay, now stop. So now you have taken the color. After that, go to sounds, and I don't need collect. I want a piano. You can take that if you want, or any soft sound. Now go to codes, sounds, and play sound a piano until done. And now, after this, put this code in the green. Now we'll change its position. That will be 120 over here. Now play sound, go to looks, and take change color effect by 25. Now these two stars coding is done. Now the last is yellow star. Put this in the yellow star too. Go to yellow star. So the Y position will be 0 and the X will not change. And if done touching color white, and yes, if you want different colors, you can take. For example, you can take green color for the green star. For the yellow star, you can take yellow color. And for the blue star, you can take blue color. And now instead of change color effect by 25, we will take change size by 50. Control, wait 0.2 seconds. And then looks, change size by -50. And then also you can put wait 0.2 seconds. So now after I will show the final video, you will understand how these stars detect the color of light and show different effects accordingly. So now our color effect using video sensing with light detection is done. So I'll show you on big screen. My torch is on. Oh! The green one is changing its color. The yellow one is twinkling. And the blue one is making the sound. Oh, nice. Looking nice, right? Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you understand and like this video. If you like, please like, subscribe, share to your family and friends. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.